Did you know a warrior queen once conquered half the Roman Empire and nearly brought Rome to its knees? Meet Zenobia of Palmyra. She called herself the new Cleopatra and claimed she was descended from Egyptian gods. But unlike Cleopatra, Zenobia didn't just rule from a palace. She rode into battle herself. By 270 AD, this incredible woman had conquered Egypt, Syria, and most of the Eastern Roman Empire. She spoke 9 languages and built the most powerful army in the Middle East. Zenobia was so bold, she put her own face on coins instead of Roman emperors. She even declared her son the true ruler of Rome. For 3 whole years, Rome controlled only half the Mediterranean because of her rebellion. Emperor Aurelian finally defeated her army, but Zenobia escaped on a camel and almost reached Persia before being captured. Rome was so scared of her power that after parading her through the streets in golden chains, they gave her a villa and pension. They knew she was too dangerous to kill,